Okay, so here we have this experiment, and it is from October November 2019, paper 4, variant 1, question number 2. Latest paper, huh? Latest. One of the latest papers. So you write
স্যার
here
2020 টা করাবেন না স্যার, বের হয়েছে তো।
2020 is for May, June, right? So we are doing in class October, November things. May, June things will be coming in your exams. Okay? Is it clear?
ওকে স্যার।
So this way I practice. I just gave you the barcode or hidden code. Okay, for practicing for your test and exams. Is it clear to you?
ইয়েস
Hello,
স্যার।
Mark. So it is from which year?
2019 অক্টোবর নভেম্বর।
Winter 1941, right? Isn't it? Question 2. Question 2, you write this here. So is it 4-1, right? Yes, 4-1. Okay, now you read. Aisha, you read. Aisha, please read.
Question 2. A student carries out an experiment to find the mass of a meter rule. She used a number of identical metal rings and a pivot. Each ring has a mass of 3.3 gram. The apparatus setup is shown in figure 2.1. The student places the pivot under the 45.0 centimeter mark on the meter rule. She places rings one at a time on the meter rule at point A, 5.0 centimeters along the rule. She adjusts the number of rings until the rule is as close to the balance as possible. She records a number n of rings needed to balance the rule.
Okay, thank you for joining, Adnan. We are doing this one related to graph. And our last class, we told you to take the printout of this. It is already attached. Also in group, we told that at the beginning of the week. So, do you have the printout?
No, sir.
You have the printer at house?
No, sir.
You
printer আছে but কাজ করে না।
Yeah, you get it printed in your
কোথা থেকে?
In your convenience, outside, from outside.
এখন তো সম্ভব না, হ্যাঁ।
Not now.
পরে করা যাবে।
Not now. You do it and try to get the missed things on your printed one. Okay. And now you have the graph paper at home.
হ্যাঁ, ওইটা তো আছে।
Yes, you have one graph paper. Get prepared on your table. Okay. So she records the number n of rings needed to balance the rule. The rings are circular with a central hole as shown in figure 2.2. Measure the outer diameter of the ring. So have you measured outer diameter of the ring?
I can't just, I'm on my phone.
Yeah, now you understand that you need to actually print out one to do this. And then you can do it perfectly. Yeah. Now, Ziva, have you got it?
আমার তো 1.5 আছে কারণ আমি দুইটা পেজ একটা পেজে করেছি প্রিন্ট আউট। দুইটা পেজেরটা আমি একটা পেজে প্রিন্ট আউট করেছি।
Oh, that's making another problem.
Yes.
Is it possible to take another one? Another printout with our the way it's given 100%.
Yes, I can.
size.
I guess
Yeah,
I have
do
my
it,
paper
do
at
it.
home.
It will be perfect then. Otherwise, it will not come correctly. So if you take the printout and if you measure it, then you will see the answer is coming 2.2. Write it on your copy, huh? Everyone, please write. It will come 2.2 centimeter. The external diameter or outer diameter. It will be 2.2. Which one is the external diameter? This one, right? From the, if it is your center, huh? Here is your center, and through this center you have to draw the diameter. If you measure the length, it will come 2.2 centimeter, huh? Yeah. So Adnan, hello Adnan.
হ্যাঁ স্যার শোনা যায়।
Yeah, Adnan, are you writing?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yeah, can you take a snap of this diagram with this value from A till here? Take the snap and send it to our group. As Ziba is busy with printing, you do it, huh?
প্যাড থাকলে কর।
Are you in mobile, Adnan? Hello.
দেখেন স্যার দেয়া শেষ।
Yeah. You sent it?
Yes.
Yeah. Moshi sent it. Thank you, Moshi. Escape. Now, second part. Can you read the second part? We are done with the first part, that is 2.2 centimeter. Now, second part. Yeah. Aisha, you read this part.
Figure 2.3 shows a section of the meter rule. On figure 2.3, draw one ring correctly placed at the 5.0 centimeter mark.
Yeah, draw one ring at the 5 centimeter mark. So how will draw it?
The goal debo.
Yeah, you have to draw the circle, the ring you'll draw, but there is one rule or strategy you have to draw in a way so that the center of the ring is going through this 5 centimeter. Okay, you should draw that way. Yeah, this way I'm showing here, like you are drawing this way. Then here another one. Yeah, so that the center of the ring is going through this 5. Is it clear? Hello? Is it clear to you?
স্যার এভাবে
Yes,
ড্র
sir.
করতে হবে?
Yes, yes. You have to draw this. This way means you place the ring correctly. Means the center should be
5 will be in the
going
center
through
of
the
that circle.
yeah, and it should be actually the ring should be on the scale. I drew a little bit upper, but it should be on the scale. Okay. Otherwise, it will fall down, right? Isn't it?
Right.
Yes.
Now it's okay. Is it okay now?
Yep.
Yes.
So again, please, Moshe, again send the diagram in our
Yes, sir.
group, please. Okay, now explain why the student adds the rings carefully one at a time. Why?
নাইলে
So
পড়ে
to make sure the
যাইতো।
rings don't fall off and to be more precise, like তাহলে exact pointed থাকবে.
Okay, very good. So Ziba,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So what is your idea about this?
Same as them, nothing new.
Same thing, right? So tell me your answers, please, again. Number one, what you told?
Moshi was saying that to make sure the rings don't fall off, and I said to make sure the rings stay on the perfect position, like the perfect point of the scale.
Yeah, make sure the readings. Tell, yeah, make sure the readings.
Make sure the rings are on the perfect readings, on the precise readings.
Okay, when the readings are precise, right?
Yeah.
Is it?
The rings.
Okay. Make sure the
Therefore, just the
না
rings are
rings,
on the
rings.
rings. Okay, make sure the rings are at correct position.
precise, are at
Are at correct position. Okay. Are at correct positions. Then you also told another thing, that is so that the rings are not falling, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that one also we can write. So that rings are not falling, right?
Yeah.
Falling off. Is it correct sentence?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, now Moshi, you take another snap of
Wait,
this.
sir.
Yes,
The
yes.
লিখতে হয়েছে। So that the.
Say.
So that the. আপনি the লিখতে ভুলে গেছেন।
So that the. Okay. Is it fine now?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Moshe, take this snap also and send.
Done.
Okay. Thank you. Now we are done till here. Let us go for B. Yeah, Ziba, you read D, part D.
The distance L between the pivot and the point A is changed by moving the pivot closer to A. The student repeats the experiment for different values of L and draws a table of results as shown in table 2.1. 1. On figure 2.4 on page 7, draw a graph of n on the y-axis against L centimeter on the x-axis. Start your axis from 0, 0. Draw the best fit curve.
Draw the best fit curve. Okay. Okay, now we have to draw the graph. So, are you ready with your graph paper? Everyone? Here is the graph paper. Are you seeing the graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have the length and number of rings. Then you see, draw a graph of n on the y-axis and L on the x-axis. And you have n 70. L ranges from 15 to 40. And they are saying us to start the graph from 0, 0. So L, it is till 40, from 0 to 40. And N, it is from 0 to 70. So if you want to have your graph correctly scaled, then for x-axis, the one you are taking L in centimeter from 0 to 40, right? 0 to 40. So it's better to take here 0, then here is 40, then here will be 10, 20, 30, 40. That means two big squares will be 10. Then your size of the graph will be better. Otherwise, it will finish here. And it is very, squeezed. Your graph is in a very small space. We should have the, scaling more than half of the axis on both sides. So you understand it, everyone? Hello? Do you understand what I'm saying? And
Yes,
for the
sir.
y-axis, we have here from 0 to 70. In y-axis, we have 12. 12 small squares. So if you are taking from 0 to 70, each of the big square, if you are taking 10, then it is more than half covering. So that will be no problem if you are taking from 0 to 70. Each of the big square will be 10. So do it. Never do it. And others in your graph, I can't see your graph from here. If you can show it in your video, then I can see it. Can you show your graph, Aisha?
আচ্ছা স্যার আগে করে নি
Okay. At least
Sir,
I
reading
I can tell you the scaling if you show me. That means in your
আমার স্যার
x-axis,
স্ক্রিনটা আমি করা
in
আছে
your in your x-axis, how many big square are there, and in your y-axis, how many big square are there? That one, if I know, then I can give you the idea how your scaling should be. Okay, then Moxie also. Yeah.
স্যার x axis এ 20 টা
x-axis is 20, then you go to till 16 square, huh?
I'm done.
Then
16.
yeah, 16 square will go, 16 square will be 40. Okay, then 4 square will be 10 in x-axis. Okay, that will make your graph nice.
Sir, readings to দেখাবেন?
Yeah, I will show the readings. The readings are here. Look, x-axis we have till 40, 0 to 40, because they told us to start the axis from 0, 0. So we should start from
আর একটু
0
চেক
to
করবেন
40.
মেসেঞ্জারে দিয়েছি
Yeah. You finished drawing?
ইয়েস স্যার মেসেঞ্জারে দিয়েছি একটু চেক করে দেন
Okay, I'll see, no problem. Let me check. Huh? That we are 70. Yes, it's nice. It's really good. Then yeah, you gave axis and L in centimeter. Yeah, nice. It's good. So, Aisha, what about your x-axis? How many squares are there in your x-axis? Aisha?
Sir,
20.
our y-axis is 25. Total same.
Y-axis, if it is 25, then it will be 14. Yeah. You take 14 squares. Each of the
14.
two squares will be 10.
Two big boxes, right?
Yeah, yeah. Two big boxes will be 10. Okay, Aisha, your x-axis how many squares in graph?
20.
X-axis 20, like Moshi. Then go till 16. Huh? 4 square will be 10. Then y-axis is 25. I think you also saw Jiva's one, right? In the messenger. Yeah, so you understood what will be the shape of the graph. It is smooth curve.
স্যার আমি হচ্ছে y axis টা কিনে শুরু করব
0 from 0 you will start, and how many squares are there? Check. 25. 25.
Same, হ্যাঁ।
Hmm?
হ্যাঁ 25.
Yeah, so if there is 20, then you take 14 till 14 squares you go, and each of the two squares will be 10. Okay, two squares will be 10. Is it clear?
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Then your 14 squares will be 70.
Acha.
This way do. Okay, Ziba. Ziba,
Yes, sir.
are you doing the rest part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do them also because you have the printed copies, so you can do the rest part also.
স্যার গুলাই ফেলছি এক্সেসেট্রিক কয়েকবার বলবেন
Sorry,
স্যার এক্সেসেট্রিক কয়েকবার বলবেন কয়টা বক্সে
x-axis. X-axis will
sir.
be, 60. You have 20 squares. That's why you will take 16, 1 6, and
Yes, sir.
1 6. So 4 squares will be 10. Okay.
Yes, sir. ঠিক আছে স্যার থ্যাংক ইউ
This is an easy graph, right? Hmm? Hello.
এটা না কিছুটা হাফ লাইফের মতন গ্রাফটা।
Yeah. It's like half-life graph. Yes. So what you got your answer for N18, Diva?
52.
52. Okay. Did you show the working on your graph?
Sir, হয়েছে।
What does working mean
Yeah,
here?
very
Like
good.
I just do the
So-
lines.
So Ziba sent your photo. What about Aisha? Will you send your one?
Okay, sending.
You send your one also. Then Moshi, what about you?
এই তো স্যার হয়ে গেছে জাস্ট
Yeah. You send also your one, and the rest part, this paper is available. This worksheet is available in your Google Classroom. From there, you can find the other answers. Okay, that is only the working on the graph paper. Is it clear? Hello. As you are done with the graph paper, so from the graph you can have other calculations, and from all this data you can get other answers. Is it clear? Hello. Now today you send me the graph, Moshi and Aisha. The next class we will discuss the other part. Okay.
Send.
Yes, yes, I got it. I got it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Then Moshi's one.
Ow.
Yeah, Aisha, have you heard what I
Yes,
said?
Yeah.
That you can get the answers of other questions and write on your copy from the Google Classroom. You can have this, right? This worksheet.
Yeah.
So from there you see it and get the answers of other parts. That's your work. Okay, homework. Do it, huh? Then in our next class we'll check and we'll start another experiment. Okay, that's all for today, huh? Moshe, you send your work. Moshe,
এই তো স্যার যাচ্ছে স্যার, দাঁড়ান একটা মিনিট
yeah,
দেন স্যার।
Moshe, send
I
your
love
work.
this sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
homework you understood, Moshe?
হোমওয়ার্ক স্যার আরেকবার একটু বলে দেন তো।
Moshe, the other part till this part we are done, right, Moshe? This drawing
আচ্ছা
graph.
পরেরটুকু করে দিব, ওকে
Yeah,
ওকে।
the rest part 2, 3 onwards you will do at home. That is your homework. Using the graph
ওকে
paper,
স্যার।
you do it, huh? And please try to have a printout. That will be
Okay, sir.
nice for you. Okay,
ওকে স্যার,
thank you so much, huh? Allah Hafiz.
I love
বাই
this
বাই
sir.
স্যার।